Welcome back, everyone. It's John. Today we got Attack on Titan Season 4, Episode 25. We just watched Episode 24. Everyone and the gang decided to just save the world and probably stop Eren from killing everyone. This is crazy. Reiner is back, and he's back. The whole gang, original gang is back. Except from Bluetooth and birth control and whatever another name he got. But enough talking. Let's just watch the episode. Let's go. This is crazy. I'm so excited. What the fuck is that? Bro, drinking whiskey? Who's that? What the fuck is that? John? Oh, it's John, dude. He's just dreamed this shit. Who was his wife? Mikasa? I don't know. I didn't notice that. Don't go. Don't think. He wants to stay in his dream. Yeah. But you gotta save the world, brother. Whew. Jeez, look what happened in the rumbling, dude. Oh, here we go. We see what happened before he shot that 4 times. Stragglers from Marley, yeah. So they're nuts. All to stop Eren. Genocide is wrong. Yeah, indeed. So they're not siding with Marley, sort of. They're siding with the being alive in this world, I guess. We need more allies, but who? I don't want them to side with Marley, dude. Okay, interesting. Wait, go back. I have to stop him, even if he's doing it to protect us and the island. Yeah. I don't know what's gonna happen. True. So the conflict is, are we letting everyone be dead or let us attack you? I don't know. But you want an infinite answer. You can't just rely on now they'll not attack us. Come on. True. You can't rely on it for years. You want the answer now. True. Hanji, dude. I love Hanji. But he'd rather die? I don't know. Yapping. Irving. Yep. Irving. Hey, I'm Frodo's Knight of the End. No intro? We're not getting the rumbling. Coming fire. Oh, we got potatoes? No, bro, don't give me Sasha hopes. Oh, Hanji's cooking. Shut up, man. A paradise for island devils. Shut up, man.
エレンとジークの接触を阻止できた。
私たちは虐殺なんて望んでない。シチューなんか作ってないよ。
シチュー。
つまり正義に目覚めたというわけ。
今正義を語ったの。あんたらが送り続けてきた巨人に抵抗してきた俺たち。
Facts. You send those titans, we're gonna kill those titans, motherfucker. Shut the fuck up.
巨人に食い殺されたくなかったからだ。それが悪魔の所業だって言いてえのかよ、おっさん。
Buddy, I'll fucking kill that commander, dude, right now. Slash his fucking throat.
パラディ島脅威論は現実となり、今や世界は滅びつつある。
Yeah, because you fucking did it. You fucking did it.
これだ。違うか。
You fucking hate the Eldians. You fucking, I hate him so much.
目の前で母親が食い殺されていなきゃな。
Facts, dude.
そんなことしてねえよ。地ならしまで追い詰めたのはお前らだろうが。
Facts.
今さら歴史の話をしようっていうことぐらいは理解してるんだろうな。
2000年も前のことでいつまで。
Yeah, 2,000 years have passed, dude. Come on, shut up.
ガキと話してる。2000年の歴史に通用すると思っているの。
なんだと。
Ah, bro, kill him. I'll slap his ass, dude. Pause. I'll slap his face.
やめよう。
Yeah, Hanji. Bring the cool down. Bring the vibes cool to cool.
じゃあ元帥殿は私たちの存在に困惑しておられるのだ。
Shoot him in the fucking face, dude. Facts.
楽園を捨ててまで助けようとする奇怪な悪魔の存在に、もう何も知らない島の悪魔には戻れない。
You're not fucking island devils. Stop with the bullshit, Annie.
それであんたたちに殺せるの？
Aaron, I don't know. If Aaron wants them to kill him, they will. I think Mikasa can. The only one who can is probably Mikasa or Levi.
殺すだけじゃない。
Other ways to stop him.
と言うと思ったけど、それじゃあ何？説得でもする。
Yeah, they can't talk him out of it. You gotta kill him.
人類大虐殺なんて実行する。
エレンと話してみないと。
対話が可能だとして、それでも虐殺をやめてくれ。
Now you gotta kill him. But only if Aaron wants. He can see the future. If they kill him, he wanted them to do that.
やっぱりね。
I love Annie. I hate her and I love her right now.
エレンを殺そうとするなら、あんたらはエレンを守るため私たちと戦うことになる。結局はそうでしょ。こともないだろうからね。
Yeah, cool.
つまり私を殺すべきだと。
レオンハート。
Oh my god. Is it gonna happen? What the fuck is she doing?
あの気持ちはよくわかる。エレンを止めたい理由は一つ。マーレにいる父親を殺された。
He did already! I'm sorry, but he did!
説得してエレンを止められるのならそれでいい。
Aw.
少なくともその時まで私たちは争うべきじゃん。
I respect that. I respect that. Akatabayo! Let's go, baby. Food is ready. Food is ready. Let's eat. Let's go. Everyone is angry, and of course women are angry when they don't eat. So you gotta eat.
時間かかる。頼りは東人家だ。
5 hours. 5 days? 5 hours? What you say?
地ならしの視察用に飛行艇を港に用意してあるらしい。
Flying boat. Oh, they got a plane. Not a plane, an airship.
東人が裏で手を回していた。
問題は始祖の巨人がどこにいるかだ。
I mean, he's huge. You're probably gonna see him.
だからこいつをさらった。イエーガーがまず向かう先はどこだ。
He's probably gonna go straight to Marley. I don't know.
知ってたとしてなぜ私が
何も知らないイエーガーに知恵を貸したのはお前だ。
Oh, that's Yelena.
前もって地ならしの進路を想定して予想はできるはずだ。
クソ野郎。
Facts.
なぜ私がマーレ人のクソ野郎に。
あんたの命をこっちが握ってるからでしょ。
Your life? What you mean by that? She wants to die.
自分の故郷のためにマーレと戦ってたんだろ。潰されてもいいのかよ。
イエレナ。なぜな、こいつも同じクソ野郎の。
Oh shit. What?
レベリオであなたにまんまとやられたからね。イエレナ。お洗いざらい調べて驚いた。小国出身と偽はジークと初めて出会った時から。
And next by Marley, okay. She's not Marleyan. She's from another country that Marley beat that ass. Pause.
世界を救う奇跡の物語。 自らを嘘で塗り
So she's from other place, not Marley, but Marley probably conquered them. I don't know. Your passion is admired. It's such reading so well.
世界を救う、何億もの命を救うという崇高な胸の高鳴りに身を任せ、
Look at Falco, I love him.
亡き者のように喉へと流し込む。それが今、私の目に映るあ
She's spitting, bro. She's spitting lines. Jesus fuck.
思い出してみませんか。ライナー・ブラウン。
Are we gonna... This is the episode, we're gonna just go through all of them.
殺されたでしょうね。
By telling because you broke down the wall.
アニー・レオンハート。
I need a heart.
あなたも随分と調査兵団を殺したそうです。ストヘスクでも大勢の住人。
Yeah, dude, fuck Annie. I fucking hated her in season 2 or 3. I don't remember. 2, I think.
この皆さん、あそこまで派手に軍港を破壊するとは、ある意味。
Yeah, literally Oppenheimered all the all those people.
勇姿を私は忘れてはいません。特にジャン、勇猛果敢に雷装を打ち込みました。そこにいる少女ガビによってサシャが
Fuck Gabi for that, dude. Fuck Gabi. I wasn't here for Gabi's redemption, but I'm here right now. I don't want her to be the hero, but you know, I'm here for the redemption right now.
のように一緒に過ごした皆さんの悲しみと憎しみ。
美味しいです、ハンチさん。おかわりありますか？
ああ、まだまだあるよ。
I want that stool also, dude. It looks delicious.
ありがとう、エレナ。
Arigato, Yelena.
お互いのわだかまりをここで打ち明けて心を整理させようとしてくれてるんだ。
Let's talk about Yelena, dude.
お前も大事な仲間の頭を打ちまくって死にたがってたのに。
I love John, dude.
気を使わせちまったな。
何でしたっけ？あの親友の名前は。そうだ。
Marco, oh my god.
確か彼の死に兄が関わってると言ってましたよね。聞いたんですか？マルコの死の真相を。
What was the point of killing Marco, dude? I don't get it. It's literally okay. We'll kill Marco, and he won't discuss. He won't tell that we are Titans.
俺の命令に従う
And literally after that, Reiner just told Eren that, oh, I'm the armor titan, and Briltotod is the colossal. Bro, what's the point of killing Marco? Bro, what the fuck?
それマルコが巨人に殺されればうまく口封じができると思った俺は
It's stupid.
空中でマルコを屋根に叩きつけ動けないように
It's stupid. It's stupid. You're stupid, Reiner.
装置を外させた
Jesus, I hate you, Reiner, really.
から動けないまま巨人に食われた
Hanji-san. Hanji, kill him right now.
マルコは最後に何か。
Yeah, he begged for his life. He begged for his fucking life. I remember this.
し合ってないって
俺たちはろくに話し合ってない。
今からでも遅くない。殺し合った者同士が少なくとも今は殺し合わずに言葉を交わしている。
俺はなんでマルコが巨人に食われているんだと思った
Yeah, because you have fucking schizophrenia, dude.
身を殺したよくもマルコをとか言いながら
もういいって。
Yeah, you got something in your head. You gotta go to a fucking therapist, dude. Really. Fucking shit, dude. Go to a fucking therapist. Talk about it to someone, dude. Oh my god, Reiner, bro. Jesus fuck. John? Oh shit! Oh my god! Oh fuck, dude. Jean, dude, stop. Oh shit, Gabi! Gabi got the hit.
ごめんなさい。パラディ島のあなたたち皆殺しにすることが希望でした。許してもらうためにこの
Gabi, oh my god.
悪魔が消えてなくなることを願い続けてました。レベリオンのみんなが消えてなくなること。
Yeah. Oh my god. I don't know. Gabi's redemption, dude. Gabi's redemption. Here we go.
ずうずうしいことは分かって。
Please forgive us. Is she gonna say that? We need your help, please. I'm begging you to help us.
私たちに力を貸して。
Ay, Gabi. I respect that. I'm here for Gabi's redemption. Right now, I'm here for Gabi's redemption. But I'm not here to see her the hero. She's not gonna be. I love Falca, dude. Oh, I love them. Let's go, let's go. Jean, dude.
ジャンおかわりどうするの
Ay, ay, ay. I believe Jean was a good friend of Mark. I don't remember this, but I think so. It's no use, he left. Jesus, Jean. Bro, I'll slap the fuck out of you, bro. Get your bitch ass hand out of me, bro. Get the fuck out of here. Levi, so damn noisy. I love Levi, dude. I love him so much. Oh my god. Jean.
起きろ。出発の時間だ。
協力してくれるの？
Ah.
なあ、もちろんだ。
Jean, goated. Goated character.
まだ寝てんだ、ライナー。怪我なんてと。
I love it. I love it. I love the funny. I love the funny. I love the jokes.
Gabi.
I love the humor, dude. This is fun.
悪かった。大丈夫か。
I love John, dude. Oh my goodness.
平気。
そうか。
So, huh?
ライナー。お前には謝る。
Yeah, don't apologize to Reiner, bro. It's fine.
それでいい。
Yeah, it's fine. Yeah.
私
Where are we going? Oh, to kill Aaron, I guess, yeah. And me? Annie, shut up. Annie, shut up! Shut your bitch ass up, Annie.
車力が
It's a car.
止めろ。何かあ
Oh
ったよ
shit. Oh shit.
港がイエーガー派に占拠されています。
Ooh.
おそらくは機関車で先回りしたのでしょう。
Locomotive. Okay.
装備の兵士たちが多く、戦闘態勢でした。
Ooh, 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 ooh. Oh shit. I hate Flock so much, bro. I hate him. And stop that episode. Absolute cinema. Oh my god, bro. So again, we're gonna watch. We saw this episode a little bit of history. The guys sorting the things out between each other, beating their faces, but I guess they just gonna cooperate right now against Eren and against the Jaegerists. I just want to see the Jaegerists fucking dead because they're fucking crazy. This is fucking dictatorship. But it's interesting what they're gonna do with Eren. But I love the gang back. But yeah, that's it, guys. If you like the video, please hit the subscribe button and hit the thumbs up. I'm gonna literally back to back on that. I'm gonna watch episode 26 right now, record this, and I'll see you in the next one.